Bien, this is a little bit controversial. So a lot of Tanzanians are speaking about how you saved Mario's performance on Wednesday night.
From what?
From the live band.
From the live band. The live band was there for Mario. Guys, let's not be demolishing people. You guys, Mario is... I think right now, I was in Mombasa. And even in Nairobi, I think Mario is the highest streamed bongo artist in Kenya right now.
Yeah.
That boy is a hard-working person. And I'm 100% sure that Mario will emerge on top in all of this. Mario is a hard worker. Mario is a super talented human, and he's a beautiful person.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Mario is a good guy. So I think whatever people feel about his performance or not, because Mario is top boy.
Yeah.
We should only look forward to good things from him moving forward. I think I'll be touring Tanzania soon, and I want to go on tour with Mario, hopefully if he's available. And just, we made a monster, we made a hit.
Yeah.
Those things don't come easy.
Yeah.
So I'm grateful to Mario, maze. Amenijenga sana, ameniingisha kwa new market, kwa new age group. Mario, maze, mimi nimeacha Mario na karibu miaka 10. So ameniingisha kwa age group yake. Sasa hivi Mario amefanya, hata nikiangalia TikTok yangu. Acheki machuma hapo hivyo wanafanya hiyo nini maze.
Yeah.
Ameniingisha kwa a new audience.
Yeah.
So niko grateful kwa Mario. Ni brother yangu huyo.
Yeah. What advice do you have for him in times when things are ziendi, like my fans respond the way he wants them to respond in terms of criticism?
I just tell Mario, don't take constructive criticism from people who never constructed anything. You focus on you. You're the one who knows kenye unataka kufanya na career yako. So to change ethics kidogo hapa, to rehearse, tuingishe vocal techniques, tufanye nini, because pia unalana, una grow. Yeah, but Mario, you're doing well, super well. Mimi nikiwa 26 siko nafikiria venye Mario anafikiria.
Yeah. Bien, once again, congratulations. Another Grammy now, towards another Grammy?
It's a bit in the Grammy. Actually, first of all, guys, I just want to say thank you to everyone in the room, the media, and the fans. My fans wamenivotia kwa hiyo kitu yani. Wase, niko too grateful kwa nyewe wase. I am super, super grateful to you for putting Kenyan music on the map. It's you guys who have done that. And it's you guys who have shown the next generation of Kenyan artists that they can. Yeah, so let's continue working together.
Absolutely amazing. Asante sana.
Mbarikiwe maze, asanteni.
Thank you.
Bongo fans nawapenda mashemeji, yani asanteni sana kwa kunikubali na kwa kunipa mapenzi sana, mapokeo mazuri nikiwa Tanzania. And I'm looking forward DJ show mikoani kila mahali. Niwaimbie, maana yake ndio mimi napenda kufanya. So asanteni sana. I am so blessed kuwa na mashabiki kama nyinyi.
Absolutely. Thank you.